So I had a burnout in 2022 where I couldn't move forwards nor backwards. I couldn't get out of bed in the morning, my kidneys were way too stressed and way too weak. My emotional state was one of despair and my motivation to live was zero. I just gave up on life and was overexhausted by everything. Now what got me out of the burnout within 4 to 5 months' time was to decide to divorce and to commit to training sexual Kung Fu on a regular basis. These Taoist viewpoints on life helped me so much that I started teaching sexual Kung Fu to women in September 2023. I wanted everyone to know and fully heal as well. Now I'm realizing that teaching in person is great, but if I wish to reach millions of people suffering from burnout or burn on, I need to change strategy. Social media, it's a limited battle for online attention and constantly feeding an artificial world into this harder, better, faster, stronger mentality. Rather, I'm creating an online self-paced course where women can train themselves in their own space, their own rhythm. And so if you're interested, just sign up to my newsletter to be updated as soon as it becomes available.